Want to become a high-paid software engineer in 2025, but don't know where to start? This is the only roadmap you'll ever need. Stage 1, Fundamentals, Month 1 to 2. Learn programming. Choose one. Languages, C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript, recommended, Python or JavaScript. Concepts, variables, loops, conditionals, functions and recursion, OOP, classes, inheritance, polymorphism. Resources, Code Academy, Free Code Camp, W3 School. Stage 2, Data Structures and Algorithms, Month 3 to 4. Core concepts, arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash maps, trees, graphs, sorting and searching, recursion and dynamic programming. Tools, LeetCode, HackerRank, Geeks for Geeks, VisualGo.net, for visualization. Stage 3, Version Control plus Basic Tools, Month 4. Tools, learn Git and GitHub. Must know, cloning, branching, merging, pull request, GitHub project contribution. Development tools, IDEs, Versus Code, IntelliJ, command line basics, debugging techniques. Stage 4, pick a specialization track, next 5 to 6 months. Web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript frontend, React.js, Next.js backend, Node.js, Express, MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Mobile development, Flutter, Dart, React Native, JS, Kotlin, for Android. Data science / machine learning, Python, Pandas, NumPy visualization, Matplotlib, Seaborn ML models, scikit-learn, regression, trees, data cleaning and feature engineering. DevOps and cloud engineering, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, GCP or Azure, C/CD, GitHub Actions, Jenkins monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana. Stage 5, build real projects, Month 7 to 8. Projects for web development, e-commerce store, job board, blog platform. Projects for mobile development, fitness tracker, budget planner, chat app. Projects for data science, sentiment analysis, predictive sales model, fake news detection. Projects for cloud engineering, deploy a web app on EC2, create a C/CD pipeline for a project. Stage 6, software engineering principles, Month 9 to 10. Topics, solid principles, design patterns, factory, singleton, etc., testing, unit, integration, code quality and linting. Stage 7, learn system design, for mid to senior roles. Topics, caching, load balancing, CDN, horizontal versus vertical scaling, database sharding, indexing, REST versus GraphQL API. Stage 8, job prep, Month 12. Resume tips, list relevant projects with GitHub links, mention tools and technologies clearly, highlight internships, freelancing, open source work. Interview rounds, DSA plus coding test, online round, technical discussion, projects, APIs, code walkthrough bonus, tools and productivity. Task management, Notion, Trello, design, Figma, for UI, testing, Postman, API, Jest, JS testing, communication, Slack, Discord, LinkedIn. Did you know? The average software engineer writes enough code in a year to build an app that could power a small startup, yet 80% never publish it online. Don't be that 80%. Share your projects. Show your skills. Opportunities follow visibility. If you're learning to become a software engineer, build in public. Start today, even with one project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I post regular content on job updates, skill roadmaps, and career hacks, everything you need to grow in the corporate world and tech industry. Did you know? Some of the world's top developers didn't come from elite colleges, they just kept building, learning, and showing their work. It's not about where you start, it's about how consistent you are. If you're learning to become a software engineer, start building projects. Share them on LinkedIn. Show your growth, even the small wins matter. Already job ready? Looking for referrals or career guidance? I've got you covered. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Instagram, let's build your next opportunity together. Thank you.